Is there a morality in science?
Oh, absolutely. There is a morality in science that is further advanced than anywhere else. If you can find a person in science, and it happens, scientists are only human, who has faked his results, who has lied as far as his findings are concerned, who has tried to steal the work of another, who has done something scientists consider unethical, his scientific reputation is ruined, his scientific life is over, there is no forgiveness.
Because the morality is?
The morality is you report the truth, and you do your best to disprove your own findings, and you do not utilize someone else's findings and report them as your own. In any other branch of human endeavor, in politics, in economics, in law, in almost anything, people can commit crimes and still be heroes somehow. To my way of thinking, for instance, Colonel North has done terrible things, yet he's a hero and a patriot to some people. And this goes in almost every field. Only science is accepted. You make a misstep in science and you're through, really through.
You love the field, don't you? You love science.
Oh, I'm very fond of it. I think that it's amazing how many saints there have been among scientists. I'll give you an example. In 1900, De Vries studied mutations. He found a patch of evening primrose of different types, and he studied how they inherited their characteristics. And he worked out the laws of genetics. Two other guys worked out the laws of genetics at the same time. A guy called Charles Carens, who was a German, De Vries was a Dutchman, and Erich von Tschermak, who was an Austrian. All three worked out the laws of genetics in 1900. All three looked through the literature, having done so, just to see what had been done before. All three discovered that in 1867, Gregor Mendel had worked out the laws of genetics, and people hadn't paid any attention then. All three reported their findings as confirmation of what Mendel had found. Not one of the three attempted to say that it was original with him once he discovered Mendel. And that's the sort of thing you just don't find outside of science.
Reporting to the truth.
And you know what it meant? It meant that two of them, Carens and Tschermak, lived in obscurity. And De Vries is known because he also was the first to work out the theory of mutations. But as far as discovering genetics is concerned, Mendel gets all the credit. And they knew at the time that this would happen, but they did it.